World's highest and longest glass bottom bridge takes walking on thin ice to a whole new level with nothing but a transparent sheet of glass between you and the base. The good news is that the BBC tested the strength of the glass with a sledgehammer and it definitely passed the test.
Get through all 3 layers of glass, I won't fall through. We're okay.
Snake Island is an island off the coast of Brazil. It's been banned from visiting, not that you did want to go. Despite the relatively small size, it's home to about 430,000 snakes, a lot of which are some of the most venomous species in the world. Thousands of tourists every year attempt to hike at the Huashuan mountain in China. Even though the views from the summit might make the hike worth it, the whole setup is terrifying, with only some planks attached to the side of the mountain to walk onto. But surprisingly, people seem to blindly trust the priests to install this walk 700 years ago. King Deck is not only the tallest roller coaster in the world, but for years it held the title as the fastest, reaching speeds of 120 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. For context, a Bugatti does the same speed in 6.6 seconds. Sometimes one doesn't need waves to make use of a boogie board. Here one can slip down the steep slopes of an active volcano and take in the breathtaking speeds. Camino del Rey is known to be one of the most dangerous hikes in the world that was closed by the government due to multiple deaths. That is until a few years ago when it reopened after a €9 million restoration, an enhancing safety measure, but it's still completely terrifying. Maybe not the most dangerous ride, but perhaps one of the scariest is Sky Jump at the Strat Hotel, which is an open-air leap from 829 feet above the strip, and it reached speeds of 40 miles per hour. Traversing the abyss has never been scarier at these climbing routes in Italy. That is not for those with the fear of heights. If you ever wanted to experience Angry Birds in real life, a human catapult in New River in West Virginia does exactly that. There is always a way up except when you are cave diving during the Echetukny River. These caves have ridiculously low ceiling. Forget about swimming straight up to the surface. The only way is forward tilt to fit through the creases and hope you don't get stuck. Things become a little insane at Gravity Max in Taiwan when you are slowly being tilted down until you reach a 90-degree angle and the tracks connect just in time for when the brakes are off. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my style of commentary on videos. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.